So I think first I'm gonna brush my teeth and then have some aloo paratha that mom gave me. Okay, great. First we'll go and brush. Okay, sorry. First we'll go and पहले हम सामान निकालेंगे फिर हम ब्रश करेंगे. Meanwhile, I do that. I'm gonna charge my phone because it's almost dying. So yeah, see you guys in some time. Hi guys. So I just had a shower and you can see the mountain view behind me. It's superb. It's very beautiful. I love it. And I was looking forward to this kind of view from my room, like big French windows and big mountains. I just got a shower and actually today the plan was such that I was gonna rent a scooty and मैं स्कूटी लेकर मस्त एकदम मैंने सोचा था कि मैं सिसु तक जाऊंगी because there was like the whole day for me, but I actually got my room around 12:30 and मेरा प्लान था कि मैं 12 बजे निकलूंगी for सिसु and I'll be back by 4 p.m. or something. I'll have lunch on the way. But sadly मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि now it's around 1:30 p.m. and I won't be able to go now. I think if I leave right now, if I go for renting a scooty, वहाँ पे कितना time लगेगा, and then so the thing is it'll take me 1 hour to go till Sisu and come back again. So 1 hour, so 2 hours, and buffer time I'll keep 2.5 hours. So even if I leave at 2:30, I'll be like back by 5ish. So I don't know, I think I'm in the wrong plan. Also because मेरी नींद ही पूरी नहीं हुई है आज, तो बस बिल्कुल ही नहीं आई. And the second thing is that मैं परसों रात से नहीं सोई because परसों I had a early morning flight to catch. So I'm literally sleep deprived. I'm very tired. I'm having बहुत ज़्यादा headache. So अभी मैं सोच रही हूँ मैं 1 घंटे के सो जाती हूँ and then I'll just head out to the mall road and explore and have something to eat, have great coffee and food. आई फील बैड दैट आज का मुझे लग रहा है पूरा प्लान ही रूइन हो गया एंड कल मैं नहीं कर सकती हूँ बिकॉज कल आई एम लीविंग फॉर अनदर स्टे विथ अ ग्रुप. सो एंड यहाँ से मुझे 12 बजे से पहले चेकआउट करना है. सो आई वोंट हैव एक्चुअली टाइम. मैं सुबह सुबह उठ के 7:30 8 o'clock में निकल सकती हूँ बट आई डोंट नो इफ आई विल गेट द स्कूटी अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग और नॉट. So I don't know what to do. Currently, I think I'll just sleep for an hour and then head out and see what to do. Hello everyone. It is almost 6 p.m. in the evening. Damn. I was supposed to sleep for only 45 minutes, but I think I slept for almost 2.5 hours. I'm actually very tired and I'm sleep deprived. So I think I needed it. I think my body needed it. Chalo, it's just going to be 6. I think I'll just wash my face, drink water and leave for let's go to Mall Road. अभी हम और कुछ कर नहीं सकते. आज का पूरा दिन वेस्ट हो गया. Things like these make me very happy. Small things, but yeah, it just makes me very happy. Just applying a little bit of lipstick because I can't look sleepy. I'm already looking very sleepy and tired. This property is very beautiful. Look at this. और it's man, this is so crazy. Yes, I'm gonna explore this. I don't know what is this. I've come here to get the scooty on rent and done the formalities. So now waiting for my scooty. I've got a scooty on rent and that's the best part right now. So the plan that I was thinking of वो हम कल कर सकते हैं. भैया लाने गए हैं मेरी स्कूटी, so देखते कौन सी स्कूटी मिलती है. So we have booked. I have, I don't know मैं week क्यों बोल रही हूँ, but I have booked my scooty now, and tomorrow we will leave for Sisu. I will leave for Sisu. Alright, that is my room. We are back from Mall Road. मॉल रोड पे जो क्राउड था ना, इट वॉज सो मच. आई न्यू दैट ऑलरेडी कि बहुत सारा क्राउड होगा, एंड आई वॉज नॉट एक्चुअली विलिंग टू स्टॉप देयर, बट सिंस मैंने आज पूरा दिन वेस्ट कर दिया, सो आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट जस्ट स्ट्रोल अराउंड द स्ट्रीट एंड सी, बिकॉज मुझे स्कूटी का भी देखना था कि कहाँ से रेंट होगी. बट द थिंग अच्छा हुआ कि मुझे होटल के पास में ही एक रेंटर मिल गया, लाइक 200 मीटर्स दूरी. सो अभी रात के 9 PM and in 15-20 minutes I think I will leave for dinner. I know मुझे अभी करना चाहिए था, but then I thought थोड़ा सा रेस्ट कर लो, because actually I'm very tired. I don't know why am I feeling so tired. It is because of my too much travel, flight and then bus and everything. तो मुझे I think रेस्ट ढंग से मिला ही नहीं है. So I'll just rest for 15 minutes and then we leave for dinner. I am right now in Manali. Let's go on our scooty to Sisu. काफ़ी अजीब से एंगल्स लेने पड़ रहे हैं, बिकॉज मेरा GoPro का माउंट ही नहीं है.